Hey guys, good evening. Good evening pala sa akin. So, sa inyo pala baka good morning na 'to. Yan. So, next topic kasi natin is about financial statements, no. So, simula tayo muna with the review of the balance sheet. This is also part of my investment class, from the indicators that really matter. And, 'yun, importante kasi sa investment siyempre na ma-review mo yung, financial statements. So usually there are just three major financial statements na ginagawa, no. Yung mga mga nagnenegosyo diyan, alam na alam niyo 'to, no. So siyempre yung balance sheet, which is financial position, tapos yung income statement, no, profit and loss, at saka yung cash flow, no. Yung cash flow nga minsan nagte-take siya on the third um parang place, 'no. Minsan hindi na yan masyadong tinitingnan kasi, well, kung ikaw ay kasi negosyante, you can always look at the balance sheet as a way for you to look at the flow ng cash, 'no, kung tutuusin, 'no. So, madali mo namang tingnan from the balance sheet. Kaya minsan hindi na masyadong nabibigyan ng pansin yung cash flow. Pero it's also part of your management, uh, na dapat malalaman mo rin yun. So there are ways to analyze that and I'll show you how in a little while. So without further ado, review of the financial statement goes like this. So ito yung sample, no? Alam na natin to, no? And actually, I've been planning to do this in last week pa. Kaso nga lang, nag nagdadalawang isip ako whether to continue including it in the class. Gawa nga ng uh, this will also form part of managerial accounting. Uh, Yun, kaya medyo tinitimpla ko siyang maigi dahil sa managerial accounting, makikita nyo din to. So usually, no, in a financial management class, you will look at it from the perspective na um, I want to manage the business. I want to manage the, the flow of my cash, income, expense, at saka yung financial position ng aking company. And I want to know whether I'm making money. Siyempre, yung pinaka bottom line, no? If I'm still making money or if I can still manage to recoup my, whatever I put in, equity, no? So, yeah, I think we'll just focus on the some key indicators, lalo na from the financial standpoint. And then I'll just leave some of the things na pinag-aaralan sa managerial accounting. I'll just put a little side note kasi makikita nyo nga rin dun yun. You'll review that there. So, syempre sa balance sheet, you'll see yung assets. So, ito yung debit side, no? Assets. And then yung liabilities and capital would be on the credit side. So, yung debit side, dyan yung cash, no? So, this is an example of a company with this kind of cash, 450,000 pesos. Land is 1 million, building and improvements is 18 million. This is an example of a business na hawak niya yung building nakalagay sa kanyang balance sheet. Mamaya makikita nyo na ito will also factor in your analysis. Okay. Yeah. So also we have investments, part syempre ng asset yung investments. Hindi tayo naglagay dito ng profit or loss kasi, well, pwede naman, no? But siguro ang consideration dito, minsan hindi ka naglalagay ng profit and loss kasi uh, net na lang yung binibigay mo, net na lang yung nakalagay, no? So, yun ang pwede kasing reason yun kung bakit 232,000 lang, right? Okay, ano pa? Investments, equipment, no? Equipment would be lahat ng ginagamit mo sa business to produce the necessary uh, products, no? For example, inventory o merchandising, or also to produce the service that you are doing, no? Or giving out. Yan. Okay, so ano pa? Again, hindi din nakalagay dito yung um, depreciation, no? Hindi ko na nilagay yung depreciation. Well, let's just assume the net of depreciation. So, of course, in reality, meron pang mga negative ano dito, no? Meron dito sa mga equipment na depreciation of equipment. As simplistically, meron kasing mga uh, financial statements na hindi na nilalagay yun dito, no? So, net na lang ang nilalagay niya sa equipment. Pero dito, ang example na to, talagang parang buong-buo yung amount, no? So, maaring hindi siya net of depreciation. Furnitures and fixtures would be, well, mga office tables, yan, kung may mga cabinets kayo, or any fixtures, mga dividers, yan. Yes. Also, pag nagpagawa ka sa loob ng building, meron kang mga fixtures na hindi kasama sa improvements, yun, no? Sinasama mo rin dito yan. Okay. Building nga pala, by the way, the building, again, wala na naman siyang depreciation dito, which is unusual. But again, this is just an example, kaya wala yan. No? Sa tunay na buhay, meron pang depreciation to. No? But pwede kasing hindi na siya kasama sa statement of sa balance sheet, no? So statement of position, financial position. Pwedeng nasa ano na lang siya, subsidiary, usually nasa side note na lang to eh, no? Palagay yung depreciation. Excuse me. Ano pa? Inventories, in this example, parang lumalabas na kaya siya may inventories ay dahil ano siya, no? Maaring itong company na to ay merchandising, no? Excuse me. Trying to figure out kung nagpo-post mo tayo live, sayang yung ano natin, yung ating ginagawa. Okay, so inventories yun, no? So again, net ito, no? So ibig sabihin, pag sakasakaling meron tayong ano dito, no? Meron tayo ritong nababawas sa inventory, maaring hindi yan dapat dito kasi parang walang kaano-ano, no? Parang walang butal. Yun. Yan. So again, pag ito po ay ating nilagay dito, no, sa inventories, andi dito for example yung mga raw materials natin, no. So cost of goods bago siya mabenta. So kung ito naman ay binili, so halimbawa bumibili ka ng goods sa ibang bansa tapos binibenta mo, pwede rin naman 'yon, no. So ang ano dito is the acquisition, no. Hindi yung selling price. Okay, accounts receivable, syempre, you know that, mga pautang ng company, either short term or long term. Tapos, other assets, be anything, no? Usually, we don't want sana, we don't want assets to have yung mga ganyan, yung mga other assets. No? We don't want that sana. Kasi, as much as possible, we want it to be uh, uh, parang specified kung ano yung ano natin, no? Parang hindi tayo nagpagano. because it's unlisted. Is that what it is? Okay. Yeah, I was a bit distracted kasi parang hindi tayo nag broadcast, and I kept looking at uh, my phone, no? O wala naman siya dito. And, okay, so inventories are there. Tanggalin naman natin yun. Lagyan natin. Pato.